రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది చూడండి.
Anybody else just please stand over there.
కష్టమైతే చెప్పే.
Sit down. Tami, make him sit.
If your captain is not here,
Make him sit.
just come on.
Sit.
Okay, sit here. Okay, you can anyone from AMD here.
If your captain is not here, just come and stand, guys. Bulls, John's 11, AMD. They still call it.
Bulls.
Okay, ready?
Hemant was there.
All right, come on.
Close up, please.
So, where is Warriors?
పియానోకి వెళ్ళి కార్ విండోస్ కొంచెం చచ్చిపోతాను లేకుంటే
Oh, he's there.
It's already there. Come on, level no, their captain, man. Come on.
సరే పట్టుకో చెప్తా
Guys,
Hemant, go.
వస్తా, మళ్ళీ
Hemant.
వస్తా
Okay.
పట్టుకో చెప్తా
Hey, Ranil.
కార్కి విండోస్ కొంచెం
RR6. Pirates.
Come on, it's okay. You have announced, man. Come on, it's okay.
Spartans.
Anybody Spartans are playing a match in CPCG, they're not going to attend.
Finish it. Come on. Come on, stand up.
so get on with it.
If you want your face, remove the cap.
Hey, that's a new cap, man.
All right.
గుడ్ జాబ్ గుడ్ జాబ్
Next time we'll open public people.
మ్యాన్ నీడలో పెడితే మంచిగా వచ్చేది బాబాయ్ ఇల్లు.
First of all, thank you very much for taking part in this version of the tournament.
Guys, listen, guys.
Calm down, guys.
There was not even single match
Guys,
we watched
sit
out
down.
due to rain. That's a big thing. No reschedules, and every tournament, pretty much for most part, every tournament was played in a good spirit, and of course there are some exceptions, but we were able to deal with that. By and large, we had a pretty good run, and I should thank your cooperation. Thanks for all the umpiring, and thanks for sending the score sheets. There was no penalty imposed on sending the score sheets, which is all good. And compared to the last time, we had 14 teams, and we had a pretty good run. Thank you very much for your participation. We will continue to do this in the coming tournaments, and I hope you'll continue to throw your support behind us as we move to the next version. Well, for now, we're going to start with. Thank you very much. So, we're going to start with the Man of the Match awards first. And
Yeah. Okay. This is how the format is going to work. I'll call out a name and please volunteer. Any captain that is here, just please come by, and you will be giving the awards, and we'll share those awards one by one after the other. I'll call out the name. Just come on, John. We're planning to give all the man of the matches of all the games. Okay. And please come on. If there is a no show, let us know. So we'll make it quick. Okay. John will be giving the first one. Man of the match, Rasul. From ECC.
Rasul is not here.
Okay, just take it. And somebody
Here, picture.
Here.
That's okay, Ajay. I'm taking a video, so it's Rasul.
All right, Pankaj. Pankaj.
I did the same thing in the last final. Woo! Pango, smile.
Show the trophy properly.
Show.
Up. Done, David.
Yeah.
Okay,
हो गया चल तू चल.
AMD,
I don't say anyone.
Anyone from AMD?
No one.
Let's skip it.
Bill.
No, you
Alright.
can give the same thing back.
guys, incoming fast, we got
Sashi from Rangers.
Sashi.
Hey, Prasanna, AMD.
Hey, John, captain. John, show it up.
John.
Alright, Lakshmi and Kumar from Singham.
Okay, Lakshmi.
They both
Woo!
they shared the man of the
Woo!
match.
Good job, guys. Woo!
Ravi Nagaraja from Austin Sharers.
No one taking the picture. Ravi, come on.
Yeah, man.
Vivek from John's 11.
Come on, Vivek.
From ECC.
I think.
Good for everybody, you cannot come, man.
Man, Ajay, how many trophies?
Karthik from Singham.
Come on, Karthik.
Rakesh from Rangers.
सब पिक्चर ले ले मैं वीडियो ले रहा हूँ
Move on. Dinesh from Shockers for scoring 30 runs.
Shockers.
Sharma from Spartans for scoring, bowling and getting 6 wickets. Anybody
No one is from Spartans.
No, carry on.
Alright, move on. Can Sarvesh, can you come
Somebody
down
can
right?
visit
Something
the
that way on my foot.
Alright, it's Ankit from AMD.
No one is from AMD. Skip AMD, yeah.
Ramesh from Rangers.
John.
Yeah,
John.
Hey!
Here, John. Smile, please.
Bharat from Warriors.
Warriors.
Bharat from Warriors.
It's a Warriors.
Indra.
Okay, Indra is there.
Take on. Chandru from Singham. Chandru and Suresh, please.
Come on, Suresh. Here. Great, yes.
Ali from Avengers. Anybody? Ali. Avengers. Arjun from Arjun.
అచ్చా ఇడు చూడు అదే అర్జున్
He's like for every camera, trying to cover everyone.
Trinad from Austin Shearers.
Okay,
Austin Shearers.
wait. It's okay.
Srikanth Mettu from Rangers.
I have the video to prove it.
Anil De Silva from Lions. Anil.
He's coming. Here, running.
Here, run it. Just show up there. Nice.
Akshay from Bulls.
Bulls. Hemant. Here, come on.
Stop చేయనా
Come on. No, run అయితుంది.
అదే సరిపోదని
Prashant from ECC.
నీదేవా పోనీ.
నా ఫోన్ కార్లో ఉంది రెడ్డి నా కార్లో నా ఫోన్
ఆఖరికి అయిపోద్దాం.
Come on.
రెడ్డి.
Sunil from Warriors. Manduka from Lions.
Come on, guys.
రనిల్
Somebody come fast.
రనిల్ చరిత్
Mani from Singham.
Here, Mani.
Naveen from Shockers.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, guys.
Take everything. See, we have a crowd to show. Come on, man. Many man of the trophy.
Kalyan from Shockers again.
Good job, Kalyan. Guys, come on, upload.
బాబాయ్ పట్టుకుంటారా చేయని పత్తుంది
Somebody take a picture also. Oh, I have got. Scroll down.
From Rangers.
Hey, go, Ravi, go.
One is from AMD.
No AMD.
John's 11.
Uday! Pictures, guys. Take a picture.
Picture guys, somebody.
Yeah.
Anup from John's 11.
Here, Anup.
Saurav from Austin Shearers.
Yeah.
Okay.
From Shockers. From Shockers.
Share.
Sorry. Singham. Indra from Warriors.
Indra.
Indra from Warriors.
Nice, nice.
Vijay from ECC.
Yes, yeah. Here, here 2 cents, please. Tak.
Puresh from Singham.
It's okay, good. Come on.
Go, fine.
Come on, guys. Run it.
Raman from John's 11.
Go! Come on! Here. हाँ
Semi-finals.
मेरे को भी चाहिए हाँ एक मिला ना
Okay, I'll call a few people. Please come back. Give your cup back and take the big cup. Take the big cup. Okay, we have a playoffs different man of the match.
Okay.
I'll take the wrapper.
Vijay from ECC. Get a big cup, please.
Return that cup.
Sorry for the mistake.
Hey, this time speech, Vijay. Speech.
Speech, yeah. Two words.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
From Singham.
Oh, what is this?
Anil, give the trophy back.
Oh, bring the man of the match and take it, huh? Because it's a playoff. Oh, okay.
Exchange offer.
Exchange offer, Manil. Good job.
Raman from John's 11.
I didn't take our overs.
Good job, Daman. Here.
Championship semi-finals, guys. Saptadeep from John's 11.
Yay! Sabzi! Awesome. इधर आ Sabzi. Woo! Here, Murti.
Alright, gold semi-finals. Warriors, Sunil.
This is, I think, wrong.
You got it?
No, cap if you put
Ashish from Rangers.
Back. Put it back. Put it back. Those two trophies, put it back.
तूने वो उसका इंदिरा का
Almost done, guys. Be patient. Okay, third place. The game champions, third place. Kumar from Singham.
No, which is the playoff? No, playoff. It's playoff man of the match.
Alright, gold final. Syed from Rangers.
Come on, Syed. Here.
Alright. Finals, the game we played today. Sriman from
Here. వదిలే ఇక్కడ చూపి
Iman, here.
Okay, man of the matches are done.
Best bowler, batsman.
Okay, we're done with the man of the matches. If anybody has to share anything from all the captains, you can come forward now and Just have 2 lines or 3 lines about ADCL, whatever you want. This is your opportunity. I'll be calling names if you're not coming. I'll be calling names.
Good job, guys.
Very good job.
Good job.
Great job. Come on.
Thanks for the tournament. That's all.
Okay. From ECC.
You should come this side, Chiru. You need to know our pain.
Now, attention.
Thanks everyone. Seriously, this was an amazing cup, and we had an awesome finals again. Thanks to John's 11 first of all. It was an awesome game, and
That is Rana's speech he is giving.
it has been an awesome tournament. As John was saying, we played every game with good spirit. So, and congratulations.
Okay. Thank you. Good job. Good job.
Singham.
Singham.
John and team, we did a fantastic job. It's been a good run for us. We tried to play a good sports here, good cricket here. Thanks for our team. We did a wonderful job. Thank you.
Good job, sir.
Lions, please. No cups. We're not getting cups.
Perfect. Perfect.
Let's talk about the tournament. Let's talk about the tournament.
Okay, as you are the new team, we would like to know your experience.
Guys.
Guys,
It's okay. Come on over here.
Guys. Come on. Come on. It's easy. Easy.
John's dudes 11.
Sorry, John.
First of all, guys,
Easy.
Yeah, we're recording it, so.
congratulations, John's 11. I have to thank John's 11 first of all for introducing us to the tournament.
Woo!
Sriman, thank you. And it's been an awesome tournament, right? And we've had our fair share of discussions, arguments with all of you guys. So it's all in the spirit of the game. Thank you. First, there were some areas that have been really struggle. First of all, understanding some of the rules.
Okay, please listen, guys. This is the new team that just started this season.
New team coming and it was tough, right? Figuring it out, right? Some of the rules. Maybe we can have a chat next time. I know that especially there are a couple of new teams coming in next tournament. That's an area we can really improve on, right? Apart from that, I think everybody was really cool, right? Every team was really cool for all of us, right? And thank you for that. Thank you, guys.
Thanks for joining with us.
Thanks for joining.
Thanks for awesome team, guys.
Austin Sheras.
Ramesh, come on.
30 seconds.
Thanks, guys.
Come on.
No.
Congrats, John's 11. For your
Thank
first
you.
Champions final and winning it also. Very good job.
Thank you.
And ECC, you are like little tough luck today. Like it would have been a hat trick.
About the tournament.
Great.
About the tournament. It's coming. He's
Yeah,
coming.
like, it's a great tournament organized, and there are a lot of people who put in their personal hours. I think we should give a round of applause for those.
Yes,
people.
guys. It's
Alright, guys.
Right
on the
point.
paper.
All the guys who put in their personal hours. There is a lot of proactiveness went in concealing that CPCG ground cleanup and all. So we could be able to finish this tournament now. And there's a lot of background work done. So as many of you can participate in the next tournament to help them, it is going to make it even better. So we all want a lot of changes, but not only we can expect 4 or 5 guys to put in 100 hours there, right? We all should jump in there. So think about it, and we'll have bigger tournament and better tournament next time also. Okay?
good.
All right, Bulls, please. Bulls, please. Bulls, please. Bulls, please.
Heyman! You can call Heyman.
Heyman! It's okay. It's okay. John will help you. Come.
It's been a great tournament so far. Special thanks to the ADCL committee for organizing such a good tournament. We are really looking forward for the next one. Thank you, guys.
Yep. Good, man.
John's 11.
Anoop.
Guys, come on, please.
First of all, thanks to all the committee members. This is a very well organized tournament. It keeps getting better and better. Our rules are maturing, our behavior is maturing. Hopefully more and more to come, right? Also, congratulations to all the team members. You guys were awesome this time. The level of teamwork that went in was just unbelievable. We wanted to win this so badly for our dear friend John. We couldn't do it last time, but John is smiling at us now.
Yep. Oh, John!
Okay, anybody I missed? You.
You.
Right. On behalf of Sharkers, guys, this has been a really great tournament. I know I didn't win the champions, but we had a great performances. This was a very competitive tournament I have ever seen in the past 4 tournaments, guys. This was really good. And all I want to bring out is, whenever a new teams comes, like, give a hand, encourage them, join along and explain the rules and not be tough on them and say, hey, rule book here. Okay, that's all I want to say about from Sharkers, because we're going to get more new teams coming up, so please be helpful. And congratulations for champions winner John's 11 and runners. Hard luck, ECC. You got 2 already. Just kidding. Gold Cup winners, congratulations. And I also want to thank you. The names will be revealed in a bit. I would like to congratulate the best batsman, best bowler, and MVP of the tournament. And congratulations on all the great performance. We look forward to the next tournament. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Rangers.
Well, I'm talking
Through the
about
bottle down,
not
okay?
on the ATCL committee. Well, this is first of all, we should be thankful for the good weather we had, so we are able to finish the whole tournament in a timely fashion. And of course, I liked it. For most part, we had a good umpiring show, and of course, there are some dropouts here and there, but we were able to do that, so that's we're happy about that. And it's personally for us, I mean, it was a pretty good run for us, and we thank for all the players and the opponents that played against us. It was always a good experience for us. Thanks. And so, I mean, I look forward for the next tournament, and hopefully, we'll continue to grow our support for the next tournament. Thank you all.
Thank you.
A couple of things I want to add before we move on, as everybody's here. Okay, this tournament we started with 11 and 2011 guys. Now for next tournament, we so far have 18 teams. We don't know the final 20 so far. Okay, we have 20 teams coming up for next tournament. Okay, so
Growing good man. Good for the
Austin Spectrum. Okay, CDCL has only 8 teams guys, and we have 20 teams, and it's going to be a big challenge for next tournament. And I also want to add a couple of things. By having 20 teams, it's not going to be easy to run a tournament, guys. We want you to be involved and to be participate to organizing the tournament, not only your games and teams, but also please be part of organizing it, because it's taking a lot of time when you have 20 teams. I don't want to miss anything. Just 1 second. And coming on to the future, next tournament we're expecting to be started from September 2nd week or 1st week, sometime around. And please listen this. This is the time. If you want to bring any concerns, any suggestions to ATCL, we have a group already. We have a team, a captain and vice captain in the group Yahoo. Please convey to any team member, can convey it to the captain or vice captain. The captain can post it in the Yahoo group. This is the time until a long weekend before we sit down and start planning for the next tournament. This is the time, guys, not when the problem comes. If you have anything in your mind to put on saying, hey, it would have been good to have a video here, to have a tent here. We didn't have many people and not resources, guys. That's the only reason, not that we can't make it better. So this is the time for suggestions and concerns. Please take your time for that. And then finally, this is a very important, please listen to this too. Okay, just want to bring it out. The ATCL is formed by somebody, not by me, and somebody, Purush, I don't know, he's not there. John has been contributing to this from past 3 years, and really appreciate him. Please give it. And you all understand, how hard it is to pull 22 people on one day and then play a tournament, play a competitive game like we're playing today. Please be kind of, I'm not expecting, but please be kind of thankful for that, because if we don't have a tournament, I don't know what to do for Saturday, Sunday. Please be thankful and helpful for that, okay? Please understand that. And finally, the 2 points I was talking about. Austin Tape Ball Cricket League was formed with the vision to promote tape ball cricket in Austin. This league was formed with the support of several cricket enthusiast guys. It's not one guy, it's not 2 guys. It's a lot of people's effort went into this. Final, don't take it personal, just want to bring it out as everybody's here. No offense. in general, an arrogant behavior of blaming ATCL for any rule of any sort, forfeiting the game at will, abuse on social media, verbal abuse will not be and should not be encouraged even for the future, guys. ATCL is a collective effort of all of us that are here today and who participated in the tournament, guys. And we'll move on to the next one.
So if you have concerns,
anything concerns, you don't need to be a captain. You can just come along and have a chat. This is your time if you want. If you want, anybody want
Make
to
it fast, guys. Maybe I'm run out of battery.
All right. Moving on, guys. You know these big cups are here. I will start distributing them. First.
You want to give the best bowler batsman and then go for a big round?
Yeah, I mean, I think I'm playing.
Okay, third place of this tournament, guys. Singham. Let them come on and move on. The 10 teams can come along.
My captain is
Can you hold this? When we go there? Yeah, probably.
Guys, come from the behind.
Okay.
Sarvesh. Prabodh. Patkunta okasepu.
Baba, video ala pattuko idu.
No, I will take one if there are too many cups.
ఒకవేళ జాయిన్ అయిపోతే ఇది వాడు
అది అసలు ఎలా వాడాలో తెలియదు
జస్ట్ కెమెరా బటన్ ఉంటుంది డైరెక్ట్ నొక్కితే
పాస్వర్డ్ గిస్వర్డ్ ఏం లేదు
Come on guys, little appreciation. Come on. Good job guys.
Good job guys.
Here.
Here, everything is here.
Go Singham. Go Singham. Here Karthik, here. Come on Venkat.
Good guys.
Chandru.
Hey, Chandru.
Lakshman. Lakshmi. Here.
Lakshmi here.
Kids get the trophy.
Here, Chandru.
Guys.
Here.
క్యాప్ కావాలండి క్యాప్ తీసుకుంటాను
Here.
Okay, I would like to invite Sarvesh to get the big cup. In the small cup in the big cups. Collect the big trophy, guys.
Singham.
Sit.
Man of the match, guys. You are not coming for the championship. We will come, but then we are not
Can somebody take the photo, please? Oh, he's taking.
Got it. Here. Thank you.
Okay, before we move on to the next one, I would like to, I want everybody to stand here and have a pic, including the guests and everyone, if possible. Everybody, I mean whoever is here, everybody want to leave or whatever. I just want everybody to come on and have a pic.
What's that?
Everyone, come on.
Yeah, maybe from there you can take right, whoever it is.
Oh, that's
From everybody is here, so
After we are done.
Yeah, man. Nobody is coming. I am just doing a roundabout.
I want everybody to leave, that's all.
Nobody leaves. Just announce. Nobody
Nobody
leaves.
is leaving, guys.
nobody is leaving.
Let's move on. Some Rangers Gold Cup winners, guys. Give it up.
Gold cup is written on their name.
I know, I vacated a room. That's why I was late.
Okay, Samesh, you give the cups.
Come on, Captain, come on.
It's alright, it's alright.
Come on, Prem. Here.
Arey, low storage and
Give it up, guys. Give it up for them, guys. Give it up. Good effort, guys.
Lightly. Kannaman. Entorke tandu. Red light dante.
Good job, guys.
Okay. Are we done? Can somebody give the big cup? You don't want to give the big cup?
Big cup to John.
John, collect the big cup.
John.
It is there. It's there. Last one. We need a speech. Congratulations, John. Okay, Tamiji, can you volunteer to give the next one? Please. Okay, champions runners, guys. ECC. All the players come first and the captain comes at the end, guys.
Come on, please.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Make it fast, guys. Getting hard here.
Bring your kids along.
Battery time, guys.
Yeah, battery time, memory time.
Yeah, finish it before the battery is dead.
our energies are dying in the hustle.
Take a picture, guys.
And we have long day ahead. Come on, guys. Make it fast.
Too much booze to drink.
Yeah.
They are. Picture.
Rama here.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations.
Here, Kishore. Ashanta.
Good overall performance, guys.
Vijay.
No internet connection.
Good, guys. Ajay.
Congratulations.